Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked is about to happen today, and we have all the details about the device that's going to be announced today with the pricing and also the official images of all the devices. So watch till the end because there's going to be a lot of surprises. So hey guys, so how's it going? I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Earner. So yes, today is the day of the Galaxy Unpacked event, but before the launch event happens, we have all the details of the devices that's going to be announced today with the official pricing and the images and also the hands-on video of the Galaxy Flip 4. So watch this video till the end as I told you in the beginning. So let's start with the Galaxy Flip 4. The Galaxy Flip 4 in comparison with the Galaxy Flip 3 has not a lot of difference in terms of design and all that stuff. Yes, it's a bit more boxier, but overall the design looks pretty same. And the Flip 4 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Yes, the latest and greatest flagship processor from Qualcomm. And not only that, inside the display is a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display, a 2K resolution panel of course, which has an Infinity O cutout, which is a centered hole punch camera for selfies, and that has a 10 megapixel selfie camera for selfies. It also supports 4K 30 FPS video recording just like the previous year, so yeah, there's no problem in terms of video recording and stuff. And on the back you have the same dual camera setup with 12 plus 12 megapixel cameras, the 12 megapixel primary sensor and the 12 megapixel ultra wide, same like the previous year. And also I thought that this year in the Flip 4 they will at least increase the size of the outside display, but it is the same 1.9-inch Super AMOLED panel. And in terms of the battery, well, the battery has a slight bump to it this year because last year it had only 3300 milliamperes, but this year it has much bigger 3700 milliamperes, so the battery life will be better considering it also has the 8 Plus Gen 1, which is good in terms of power efficiency. The charging speeds will be the same, 25 watt wired and 11 watt wireless. And not only that, the Galaxy Flip 4 has also got an IPX8 certification for water and dust resistance. So let's talk about the pricing. Well, the starting variant of the Galaxy Flip 4 costs around 1109 euros, which is roughly around 90,000 rupees, and the second variant, the higher variant, costs around 1169 euros, which is roughly around 95,000 rupees. So I don't think so the pricing in India will be the same as the pricing in Europe, because the pricing in Europe is always higher than what it is here in India. These are the information when it comes to the Galaxy Flip 4. Yes, there are not a lot of changes when you compare with the previous generation Galaxy Flip 3, but yeah, I think the design is something that we have to look forward for, because I think that the Galaxy Flip 4 is a much more boxier design than the Galaxy Flip 3. So yeah, now let's talk about the Fold 4. And unlike the Galaxy Fold 3, this time around Galaxy Fold 4 has a lot of changes in terms of the camera and also the protection in which they have used in this particular phone. So in comparison with the Fold 3, the Fold 4 is similar to its predecessor, but except the fact that it uses a new sensor on the rear camera, which is a 50 megapixel one and an upgraded protection. So let's talk about the pricing and the RAM variants. Yes, this is also powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. I totally forgot that. It has an 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. It goes up to 1 terabyte and the secondary RAM option is 12GB. So let's talk about the pricing. And yes, of course, the battery is 4700 milliampere just like the previous year, and all the charging spec is also similar to what it was in the Galaxy Fold 3. So let's talk about the pricing. So for the 256GB, the price starts at 1799 euros, which is roughly around 1,46,139 rupees. And for the 512GB variant, it starts at 1919 euros, which is roughly around 1,55,000 rupees. As I said in the beginning, the prices are not confirmed in India. This is the European pricing, and the European pricing is always much higher than what it will be here in India. So we can expect a bit lesser price for the Fold 3 and the Flip 4 as well. So yes, in terms of specs, I think there's nothing much of a difference when comparison with the previous generation of Fold 3. But hey, the new camera is something that we have to wait and watch, because it can potentially bring in some new possibilities in terms of cameras for Fold phones. So yeah, I am expecting a lot with the Fold 4. Let's see, let's wait and watch. So if you want to have the hands-on video and also the in-depth review of the Fold 4, we'll try to do that in our channel, but for that stay subscribed to our channel and also share this video with your friends. Alright, so let's talk about the next product, which is the Galaxy Watch lineup. So previous year the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic was there. It was good. I have the Galaxy Watch 4 here, and this is something which actually gets my attention, the Watch 5. So this time around they have two changes. One, they have removed the physical ring outside the classic variant of the watch. That's the first thing. Instead they have kept the bezel rotating, which is similar to Galaxy Watch 4. And the second thing is they have renamed the classic variant into Pro. So now the Watch Classic will be named as Watch Pro. So we have two watches this year, which is the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And the sizes for the Watch 5 are two sizes, 40 and 44mm, and the Watch 5 surprisingly only has 45mm, which is strange, but we don't know. We have to wait and watch till the official launch. There might be different sizes, but for now we have the information of only one size for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. In terms of specs, we don't have much about the Galaxy Watch lineup, but what we have is the battery sizes, yes, and also the pricing. So definitely Samsung has improved the battery size in the Watch 5 lineup after hearing the comments from its community, because the Watch 4 sucks in terms of battery and also the charging speed. Yes, this year the charging speed is bumped up to 10 watts, which supports fast charging, and the Watch 5 can be charged for 45% in just 30 minutes, which is not that fast, but okay, in comparison with previous year it is okay. So let me read out the battery specs. So previous year the Watch 4 40mm variant had 247 mAh battery, whereas the 44mm variant had a 361 mAh battery. And this year the battery sizes for the Watch 5 has been slightly bumped up, where the 40mm variant will have a 284 mAh battery and the 44mm variant will have a 410 mAh battery. And when it comes to the Watch 5 Pro lineup, as I said, we only have information regarding the 45mm variant, which has 590 mAh battery, which is way bigger than previous year's Watch 4 Classic's 44mm variant. So now let's talk about the pricing, which is the elephant in the room. So the price of the Watch 5 starts at 299 euros, which is roughly around 24,300. The prices in India will be less than 20,000 for the Bluetooth variant, and there are many variants as well. There are Bluetooth and LTE variant for both of these watches, the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. So let's wait and watch regarding the other details. I am expecting the blood sugar checker on the Galaxy Watch 5, but we don't know whether it will be there or not. But definitely what I know is the temperature sensor, which will be there on the Watch 5. So I am looking forward for Watch 5. How many of you guys are looking forward for that? Let me know that in the comment section below. So the last and final device that's going to be unveiled today in the Galaxy Unpacked event is the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Yes, so we don't have much of a details except the fact that we have the color variant and also the pricing. So the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is going to come in 3 color variants. One is white, black and purple. So yeah, in terms of specs, we don't have the technical specs yet, but what I know from the official poster that it supports 24-bit high quality audio for only Samsung devices. So we have to wait and watch regarding the other details, but definitely I know the European pricing, which is costing around 230 euros, which is roughly around 18,500 rupees. So yes, I think the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro will be priced around 15,000 rupees, which is somewhere equivalent to the Pixel Buds Pro, but the Pixel Buds Pro is costing around 20,000 rupees. So if Samsung India decides to price the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro around 20,000, then it will be a very tight competition for the Pixel Buds Pro. But if it's priced lesser than that, then that will be a good pick, I guess. So yes, these are all the details when it comes to the devices that's going to be announced in today's Galaxy Unpacked event. What do you guys think about all these devices? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. The one which I am really excited for will be the Galaxy Watch 5 lineup, because I have the Watch 4 and I am eagerly waiting to see what Samsung is going to offer in terms of specs and all those stuff. So yeah, and please do like this video for the efforts that I've taken to bring all this information in one single video, and also share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because most of you forget to do that. Just subscribe, hit the like button, which is a great form of support, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. For now, this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.